In a day-to-day life, we need protein because protein repairs the body cells and helps to create new one. So the normally food we eat also gives us protein, but it also comes with carbs and fat. So it's not the clean protein. And after our workout, we need a clean protein because it helps to build the lean body muscles and also helps in a weight loss. And here whey protein comes into the picture because it is quickly absorbed by the body and it also contains all essential 9 amino acid. And let me tell you one thing, whey protein is completely safe, but that doesn't mean we'll just go into the market and buy any whey protein. No. If you just buy any random whey protein, then it will also get you free stabilizer, artificial sweetener, even extra sugar, and which is ultimately not good for our health if we consume it for a longer time. Let me share my story with you. When I was new to the gym and workout, and I started drinking protein powder because I really like the sweet taste of it, and that is the reason I started drinking protein powder because of its sweet taste. And then I realized even if I'm not doing workout, then also I'm drinking that whey protein powder. What happened to me? And then I got to know that this whey protein powder contains the artificial sweeteners, and these artificial sweeteners are so addictive that we crave for more and more sweet food. And that is the reason even if I'm not doing workout, I used to drink that protein powder because I got addicted to it. And that was the time I realized that I should change my protein powder. And I searched a lot and I came across a unflavored whey protein powder from Vihado. The only ingredient they have is 100% natural whey protein. That's it. No artificial flavor, no sweetener, nothing. Just a whey protein. If you are regular to the gym, then please have one scoop of unflavored Vihado whey protein after your workout because then the muscle can well absorb all the protein and which helps to build the lean body muscles. Don't worry, it has no side effects because it's clean protein. I also take it after my workout. It really helped me to lose weight. It's filling in nature, so it helps me to limit my food intakes as well. The protein content of Vihado whey protein is high as compared to the other whey protein because they don't add any artificial substances in the protein, and that make them high in protein quality as well as content. The other best thing about Vihado whey protein is that it is cold processed. That means whey protein is processed at low temperatures and it is mechanically separated to remove unwanted sugars, fats and impurities. Cold processed whey protein is superior to the other methods of processing because the protein per serving is greater as compared to other protein and there is more calcium and less sodium. The unflavored whey protein from Vihado is less expensive as compared to the other flavored protein, and the problem with those flavored protein is that we don't know how much percentage of sugar have added. The brands don't mention it. Even some brands just like it like artificial sweeteners are used, but which artificial sweeteners are used, how much percentage they have used, they don't mention it. But Vihado don't do this with you. As the whey protein from Vihado is unflavored, so they gives us full liberty. We can make it sweet as per our taste and preferences. Vihado gives us right to decide. We can add honey, jaggery, anything we like. That's the best thing about them. So people, go to the gym, build those muscles and lose that fat and have a Vihado whey protein after your workout. It's totally safe. And girls, if you're worried like whey protein makes you look like a man, then it's not like that. It's a complete meal in itself, so please have it. Don't ignore whey protein, and I would suggest you to choose everything wisely, and I will definitely give link in the description box to buy a Vihado whey protein. And if you really like this video, then please like, share, subscribe and get better together. I would suggest you to choose. I think I said that. Till then, bye.